I'm Alex from Switched On. Today we're in South East England in this beautiful garden with a James outdoor system. Switched On's been running for 5 years now. We cater for the residential mainly and high-end market, based in Surrey but cover most of the South East of England. We've carried out several large garden audio systems now, so we're well versed in what's required and the best way to set these systems up. This was an existing client of mine that wanted a loud and bigger outdoor audio system. This is a James Loudspeaker system. We've got the AT62 satellite speakers and the ST12 subs. In the pool area we've got a 12.2, we've got 2 of the S12 subs and 12 of the AT62 satellites. In the barbecue area we've got a 4.1, so we've got 1 of the ST12 subs and 4 of the AT62 satellites. In the fire pit area we've got a 4.1 with 4 AT62s and 1 ST12. We've also got a tennis court here with 4 Omnis, powered by a Sonance DSP 750. We've got 4 Sonance DSP 750s running this. We've used 70-volt line on the satellite speakers due to the cable lengths involved. So the customer initially contacted us looking for this system. They were looking for an outdoor speaker system that gave them a bit more sound level. I contacted Dan, my rep at Habitek. We brought the Sonance Landscape series out initially and the James planters. The customer was really happy with kind of the sound level that could be achieved with the Landscape series, and it was then whether we could achieve a little bit more and also look at the custom finish side of things. That's when Geo suggested using James Loudspeaker, and that's what we ended up basing the design on. So one of the really important things with this project was keeping the kind of custom finishes, keeping the aesthetic right for the garden, and helping the speakers seamlessly blend in. And that was one thing that James could do by providing a custom finish. They just disappear. So Geo really helped on this project. Geo came out and did the demo for the client. He answered a lot of the questions and the technical aspects of the speakers. He ran through the custom finishes available and the swatches and the samples and kind of showed the pros and cons of the different colours against some of the plants and how that would look. Geo also provided a heat map and a design for the audio. So the clients have been really happy with the finished result. It just creates an amazing atmosphere in this space. I mean, the sound level is unbelievable that can be achieved. It's a really party atmosphere that this has created.